Well guys, my name is Mair and today we are making the low calorie chicken nugget. Okay, so this is the best, easy and simple recipe of the chicken nugget. Here I have 1.5 pounds of chicken breast mincemeat. So first of all, take onion powder or minced onion. If you guys take a look here, this is onion, minced onion. Add 1 whole spoon of minced onion in your minced chicken. Half spoon of table salt, 1 whole spoon of garlic powder. Add garlic because it's gonna give a nice flavor to the chicken meat, and 1/4 spoon of black pepper. Take 1 whole spoon of yellow mustard, spicy mustard. I have this spicy brown mustard, so you will add just 1 whole tablespoon of mustard in there. Now it's all on your hands. Just mix all the ingredients in your minced chicken. So it's just like we are mixing all the ingredients in our minced chicken. By the way, I never got the minced chicken from the market. I got the whole chicken breast, and I processed it in our food processor just to make it easy for you guys. I just started the video with all ready-made ingredients. So just make sure it's all mixed evenly. So it's all mixed up. There are no potatoes and nothing like that in our chicken nugget because these are the low calorie chicken nuggets. We all can make this in our home under 30 minutes. Easy peasy. Okay, once you mix the meat, let it rest for 5 minutes. I'll wipe up my hands. Alright, hands are clean. It's been 4 or 5 minutes. Grab a little water in a bowl. Have a baking paper ready, or butter paper they call it. Make your hand wet. Grab a small piece of chicken meat. Make sure they're not too thick and make sure they're not too skinny. So just even size, and put it right on top of your butter paper. Again, wet your hands, get the chicken, and just form a regular round form or rectangular form kind of patty and place it right here. Again, wet your hands. You can use an ice cream scoop as well if you want it. Okay, just place it right here. And this recipe, we will be using our air fryer. There will be no oils in this recipe. It's all healthy, it's all natural. Right now, just make sure you make enough patties. Whatever the meat we are looking at, the minced meat, we'll be making the patties. These are the homemade low calorie chicken nuggets. I guess everyone likes chicken nuggets, right? My target is to make at least 10 of them because these are the big guys. These are not tiny, any outsourced franchise chicken nuggets. These are homemade chicken nuggets. So we have 6. This is the salmon. I guess we will be ending up by 9. These are the big ones. The real big chicken nuggets. Okay, the 9th. I guess 9s are good. Just take a look. These are real big chicken nuggets. It means it's gonna fill us up. So take a look here. how beautifully it's done. We have homemade 9 chicken nuggets ready. You know what we're gonna do now? We will place this whole tray or a chopping board with the butter paper under it. We'll place these chicken nuggets in our freezer at least for 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. So it's been 12 minutes approximately. We don't want them to be frozen. So here is our Ninja Foodie grill, right? Turn on the grill, put it on air crisp. It says 390 degrees. Time it says 20 minutes. This is what we need. So this is gonna be preheating round. Take 2 eggs. All right. We'll put the 2 eggs right here. Whisk the egg, broke the yolk, and just mix it. All right, whisking. Okay, all-purpose flour. We will take a whole 1 big cup of all-purpose flour. The cup is too big for the bag, so we will put half right there and half more. So 1 whole cup for the 9 chicken nuggets. Okay. Goes there. 1 whole spoon of paprika, half tablespoon of salt, and just use a fork and mix it up. I want to add more paprika because this is our main coating for our chicken nuggets. So adding half more spoon of the paprika. All the mixture is not gonna go on top of our chicken nuggets, but it's gonna give a good coating. We are removing the forks. It's our Ninja Air Crisp is about to get ready. So here is our first chicken nugget. See? In putting in a freezer helps all the mixture, everything to get intact. So put it in the egg, right? Give it a bath. Pick it up gently and put it right on top of it. Just cover it. Make sure all the surfaces get covered. Right? It's soft. So easy. Let it rest here. Get other one. Same. Okay, our grill is ready. The air fry grill. Give it a coat of the egg. Put it here. And now give it a coat here. Right? So easy. So it sticks right on top. Open up the grill. Get a non-stick butter spray and just put it a little bit on the bottom. What we're gonna do? We're gonna just land our chicken nuggets right in here. So let's speed up the process now. First coat, second coat, put it right here. Easy, right? At the end of this whole process, you're gonna be covered with egg and the flour. But this is very easy recipe, guys. This is very tasty and with less calorie and high protein. Okay, place it right there. Okay. First bath. Take out the nugget, put it here. This is actually the biggest chicken nugget. It's actually a real deal. Directly right there. All right. The paprika has its own aroma. The egg. All right. So the last one right in the corner. It's gonna be standing, but it's all okay. Get the butter spray. Just spray a little bit on top of it. That's it. Cover it with the lid. And let's cook these guys for 10 minutes now. And then after 10 minutes, we will take a look what's going on the inside. Okay, this is the mairbornhungry. And it's been 10 minutes of our homemade low-calorie chicken nuggets recipe to be in the air fryer. So let's go take a look what's going on the inside. Alright, oh wow, look at this guys. Just look at this. It's been only 10 minutes. We'll flip it. Flip it. Look at the beautiful color they have formed. It's been just 10 minutes. I mean, we need a little bit, I guess more, not guessing it. I'm 100% sure 10 more minutes on this side as well. Uh-oh, this guy is sticking. Okay, these are fine. And these are fine. And the last one, yeah, it's fine. Butter spray, a little bit on top. Okay, let's roast this for 10 more minutes. You'll be surprised how they come out, how we both did this recipe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go. We're gonna turn it off and look inside guys. The homemade chicken nuggets are ready. Take a look here. The best homemade chicken nuggets ever. Let's dish this out. Oh wow. They are roasted. This is health guys. This is protein packed chicken nuggets. Easy to make, easy to follow. Wow, I'm actually surprised how it came on the camera. Yum. All right, so these are 8. The last one. So we are trying this right away. Wow, wow, wow. Take a look here. Wow. This is what it is, guys. Fully cooked, homemade, protein packed, delicious chicken nuggets. Let me take this steamingly hot bite. It's hot. Oh wow. Delicious. Homemade ketchup and mayo. They go best with it. Take a look here. Yummy, right? You gotta try this recipe with the mayo. Enjoy this recipe, guys. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this easy, simple, low calorie chicken nugget recipe at home in your air fryer. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you very soon on the next one with another delicious recipe at home. And for now, let me enjoy this. Take a look one more time. It's still hot. I'm gonna keep a little bit waiting for them. And there's the bite, the fresh chicken nugget. Wow.